In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to kickstart your journey into stock trading. Once you have your browser open, head over to chatopenai.com and log in, ensuring that you start with a fresh chat session. This will give you a clean slate to thoroughly develop your stock trading strategies, making your session organized and focused without any distractions. Before diving in, it's crucial to define your trading goals clearly. For example, if you're planning to venture into stock trading by 2025 as a beginner with a moderate risk appetite, you should articulate this explicitly. Prompting ChatGPT with these details will help it suggest a set of 5 suitable trading strategies tailored to your needs. Each of these strategies will be explained thoroughly, detailing how they function and the potential for profitability they might hold. The next step is to analyze potential stocks or specific sectors, such as the technology sector. Here, you can ask ChatGPT to evaluate and recommend stocks with high growth potential. This analysis should include key performance metrics, like the PE ratio, relevant news updates, analyst ratings, and the primary drivers of growth. These insights will be incredibly valuable in helping you pinpoint stocks that align with your investment strategy and goals. Once you have your list of potential stocks, it's time to dive into the specifics with detailed trade setups. For each recommended stock, ChatGPT can help craft a comprehensive trading plan. This plan should encompass entry points, exit targets, stop-loss levels, and provide the reasoning behind each decision. This thorough approach will enable you to navigate the complexities of trading with greater confidence. Risk assessment and money management are non-negotiables in this journey. It's essential to understand and manage the risks associated with your trades. Let ChatGPT explain these risks and suggest effective management strategies, such as position sizing, stop-loss techniques, and diversification. These methods of risk management will safeguard your investments, particularly as a beginner. With your trading strategy laid out, refining it based on current market trends is key. You can ask ChatGPT to review your trading plan and suggest improvements, possibly incorporating additional indicators or tools to better monitor stock performance. Staying responsive to market dynamics will enhance your trading outcomes. Now, let's create a daily trading checklist that will keep you organized and disciplined. Ask ChatGPT to tailor a daily routine for you, incorporating essential steps like stock analysis, news tracking, trade logging, and periodic reviews. This checklist will be your guide, helping you to maintain focus and rigor in your trading activities. Finally, summarize your entire trading plan into one cohesive, actionable guide. This summary should include all the trading advice, setups, and risk management strategies, organized clearly for daily execution. Having a consolidated plan will make it easier for you to follow through, especially as you start gaining experience in stock trading. By following these steps, you're setting a solid foundation for your stock trading journey. Good luck! And remember that practice and continuous learning are your best allies in the financial markets.